Mastering Relative Adverbs, your ultimate quiz challenge. Hello, English learners. We're about to delve deeper into the world of English grammar. Today's topic? Relative adverbs. We've been through their definitions and usage, but now it's time to put that knowledge to the test. Ready? Let's jump right into the quiz. Just a quick recap. Relative adverbs, which include where, when, and why, are used to connect clauses or sentences. They relate to a noun in another clause and tell us more about the time, reason, or place. For instance, in the sentence, I remember the day when we first met, the word when is a relative adverb. Let's start with our quiz. Question 1. Fill in the blank with the correct relative adverb. Underscore, 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 do you ask? Question 2. Which relative adverb would fit best? This is the house underscore, underscore, underscore I grew up. Question 3. Can you spot the relative adverb in the sentence? Do you know the reason why he left? We'll go over the answers shortly. Ready for more? Let's continue. Question 4. Choose the right relative adverb. I will never forget the time underscore 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 we went on a trip to Paris. Question 5. Complete the sentence with a relative adverb. The day underscore 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 the concert takes place is a public holiday. Question 6. Identify the relative adverb in the sentence. She couldn't remember the place where she left her keys. We'll reveal the answers soon. Let's go through the answers now. Answer 1. Why do you ask? The correct relative adverb is why. Answer 2. This is the house where I grew up. The right relative adverb is where. Answer 3. In the sentence, do you know the reason why he left? The relative adverb is why. Answer 4. I will never forget the time when we went on a trip to Paris. The correct relative adverb is when. Answer 5. The day when the concert takes place is a public holiday. When is the correct relative adverb. Answer 6. In the sentence, she couldn't remember the place where she left her keys. The relative adverb is where. How did you do? Well done for completing the quiz. I hope this was a fun way to refresh your understanding of relative adverbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep revising and testing yourself and you'll master these in no time. Until our next English adventure, keep practicing and stay curious.